Well, another windstorm. That's the neighbors. I think this time it's broken. Here's a giant limb that's come down from the neighbor's tree. And there's our fence on the ground. Oh. It looks like it broke our hose. We have stuff pretty secured over here, so I don't see anything out of the ordinary. Well, wait a minute. Looks like the chicken coop's got a problem. Luckily, there's no chickens. Let's see what the deal is. Well, I guess that's not bad. It's just something Steve's got over to keep the chickens, when we had chickens, out of the I can't even talk, out of the weather. It could have been worse.